Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix error code 6000010 network connection error. Please check your network connection and try again or exit the game. So if you're getting this network connection error in the game, The Division Resurgence on your mobile devices such as Android or iOS devices, then here follow the fixes. The first fix is to switch network connection. So if you are connected to Wi-Fi, then disconnect the Wi-Fi and then close the app. Then turn on mobile data and then launch the Division Resurgence app and then try again. It should work. Now, if possible, then you can connect to different mobile data network via hotspot and then check. Or if you are connected to mobile data, then try to connect to different Wi-Fi network and then check. Fix 2 is to connect to VPN. So you can download VPN app from Play Store or App Store such as Proton VPN, NordVPN, ExpressVPN or any other VPN from the Play Store or App Store. Then launch the VPN app and connect to a different location than your current location. You can connect to a different region such as France, Dutch, Germany, Belgium, etc. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your error is fixed or not. Now, if that doesn't work, then close the Division Resurgence app and then connect to VPN and then relaunch the game and then check. Once the error is gone, then you can disconnect the VPN app. Now, if still your problem is not solved, then the fix 3 is to turn on off aeroplane mode or flight mode. So simply turn on aeroplane mode or flight mode on your device, wait for a few seconds and then turn it off. It will refresh the connection and then you can check if your error is fixed or not. So I hope by following these 3 fixes, you can easily solve error code 6000010 network connection error. Please check your network connection and try again or exit the game. In the game, The Division Resurgence on mobile devices such as Android or iOS devices. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.